Yes, so continuing with the indifferent schedule. So moving on to the C combination, if he wants to add one more unit of good x, that is 3x, and he is sacrificing 2 units of good y. So that means 2y is equal 2y is to 1x. So this combination goes on, and whenever he wants to consume an additional unit of x, he will have to sacrifice some amount of y. So here if you see the pattern, the marginal rate of substitution is decreasing, right? In the PPC, MRT was increasing. That means sacrifice ratio was increasing. Here MRS is decreasing. That is why indifference curve has a convex shape of diagram. That means moving on to the indifference curve. See, this is an indifference curve where good A is marked in the x-axis and good B is marked in the y-axis, and the indifference curve is looking like a downward sloping convex shaped curve. That means it is downward sloping from left to right, and it is also convex to the origin. It is convex to the origin because, as I explained earlier, that means what you can say, because of the decreasing MRS. That means decreasing marginal rate of substitution. Decreasing MRS gives the indifference curve a convex shape to the origin, and it is also downward sloping from left to right. Okay, so now moving on, this is indifference curve. So indifference gives you all possible combinations of two goods that can be consumed with the given level of income, which gives you same level of satisfaction. So if you move on to the any point in this indifference curve, you will get same level of satisfaction, but only difference is you will get only different combinations of two goods. Okay, so that means this is indifferent. This is called indifference curve. So the curve which gives you all possible combinations of two goods that can be consumed with your given income, which gives you the same level of satisfaction. Which gives you the same level of satisfaction is the main important point here. If you don't add this in the definition, you will lose marks. So that is indifference curve. Now I am moving on to the indifference map concept. That means indifference map is the collection of indifference curve in a single diagram. Okay. So once again I am repeating, indifference map is the collection of more than one indifference curve in a single diagram. So that means here itself you can see, suppose good A is apple and good B is orange. Okay, two goods you are consuming at the same time, and good A is apple, good B is orange. So this indifference map gives you what all satisfaction level is there for apple and orange. Suppose you are consuming at IC1 means, suppose in IC1 point A means you are getting some amount of satisfaction there. This is your satisfaction. Okay, so this much